These people are moving their house. Literally.
I thought Mom wanted to do that.
That's one half of the house. The other half's up there.
Oh.
Yeah, the other half is
to put it together.
The other half is right there.
The only thing I don't like about this is the restroom is disgusting.
It depends on how it's built. I've been into one where it looks really.
There's the other part of the house.
I thought you said you make a lot of, you save a lot of money.
Check this out.
Hello.
Swagging.
Hello.
Swagging.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
We just pooped.
Huh?
Hello.
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 Swag. 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 Too much swag.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Watch this go with it now. Kenny. Kelvin. Just go with it.
Oh my god, that was the greatest night of my life.
Check this out, check this out. Snacking on some extra flame hot Cheetos. Show 'em, guys. Extra
I'm just saying you gotta look like
flame
a
hot
plastic surgeon's
Cheetos.
wife. I want to create the illusion I have.
Can't find this anywhere.
You're so.
You can
Okay.
vlog it or take a picture of it to prove it to me. Because this is very rare chips that you can find.
Wow, these are.
Here with my boy Mike Tang. This boy Mike Tang.
Hey, don't eat and drive. It's bad for you.
We just, he's picked me up. We're going swimming with some friends. I just checked out his swag game. It's exclusive stuff. Can't put it on camera. Nope. Can't put it on camera. You gotta see it live. You're finally in my vlog.
Hey, we got newbies.
Hey, Amy.
What's good?
Hi. We got Brian. We got Justin Bieber over there. I always want to say Brian, but it's Justin Bieber.
He's at the mall. Did you know that?
JP.
Hi, Caleb.
Michael saw him.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Hi, Rosemary.
You plan on going swimming in that?
I'm not swimming.
Oh,
Chilling.
that's.
You're gonna be the only one
You're
not.
tickling me.
Seriously not swimming?
Because I came from the mall, I didn't bring my stuff. I love
Go home and get something.
Fuck it up, bro.
Go home and get
I
something.
just said we were going swimming.
Because I was going to buy some swimming shorts at the mall, but I was like, nah.
This is for Andy. This is what I taught him. If there's danger lurking anywhere and everywhere in the world, what do you do? Why is this important, and how can it save your life?
Save life because you're protecting everything, and your groin, your stomach, your organs, your head, and your neck.
195 right now. Eating some pho. What is that, Mom? Mom, what's that called? Grilled meatballs, spring rolls, candy right there. Yeah. Cooking some fried rice. Got some eggs and some yellow rice. And some Asian sausage just popped. We have carrots and peas right here. Some shrimp right here. Cooking. Cooking's still in progress. The butter and the peas and carrots are added now. Shrimp going in. I put this baby in, you know. Mix that bad boy around. Call me Chef Eggwood. Mom, I'm vlogging. Now I'm cooking. I'm cutting up the Chinese sausage for the fried rice. Mike's behind the camera right now.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is pretty. He's a good camera guy. Huh? He's a good camera guy.
In the back, you gotta have a bath, remember? The clear one you
Fried
put in
rice.
there. In there. But anyway, so.
Here's a presentation.
Can you text him?
Final.
My phone? Is that my phone? Okay, I have
Fried rice.
fried rice for you. I'm leaving.
Yep, guys. Chef Egg Roll in the house.
We'll always try to call